And today I'm going to be making an origami paper claw. Okay, first of all, we're going to need a piece of paper.
A lot.
Should I
Of
show?
pieces.
Should I show your eyes?
paper.
Should I show your eyes? Cause
Joe, you just
because-
interrupted the video. The cameraman is not supposed to speak.
Yeah, he is. Sometimes.
yeah.
First of all, I've actually forgot how to make it.
Oh, dude,
I know how to make it now.
I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can get a close view.
First, you gotta fold it in half, hamburger style.
That's not how you make it. I remember. Oh yeah, that's how you make it.
So you fold it like that. So like you fold it like you're reading a book. And then you take an edge and basically fold it like this, right?
Yeah. So then you fold it like a paper airplane, but it's not gonna.
Turn out to be a paper.
Yeah. You fold it.
And then this
You
way.
fold it like that. Like kind of like a paper airplane, but deeper in. You see? Oh shoot! I'm covering the camera. Oh shoot! Okay, I'm ready. I'm gonna
And
put this.
then you fold it in half.
So it kind of already looks like a triangle or something like that.
And what's the next step?
I know what the next step is, but I forgot it. I literally forgot.
Oh yeah, now I remember. And then you unfold it and kind of fold it again in half on each side.
I'm just gonna zoom in for a sec to show the viewers. Like that. Dude, you need a clear camera or something. I don't know.
I know, it's my tablet. I need like a vlogging camera or something. And then it's like that. Basically what I did.
Like a diamond or
was
something.
I went like this. When I went like. Instead of folding this, I folded it in half again. And then I'm going to fold it over again.
That kind of looks like a tip. And then now what do you do?
It's usually one gigantic claw.
Oh yeah, one gigantor claw.
No.
Are you seriously putting this on YouTube?
Yeah.
You need like a head cover, like something to put on your like. Wait, what viewer channel are you?
Hold on.
Subscribe at the end of the video.
I'll tell that later. And basically, I'm going to do a leg spike every video. Basically, what you don't know, if you don't know what it is, so when you count off from 3, 2, 1, and I yell leg spike. And first of all, I have no idea what I'm doing. I kind of forgot the steps, but I'm kind of remembering it as I go along. I think, no. Screw this. I'm making a picture, okay? Get lost!
Okay, that got lost. Okay, and if you want to see me, he's a cameraman on his channel. I think the next video you're gonna include me, right? And then like it's called Music Leagues or something. We're gonna technically get all of our instruments out and start playing them, right? Yeah. Okay, so be sure to check that out.
Okay, so.
Hey, dude.
What should I make?
Dad's kind. That side's really far. And it's awesome to look at. That would
Try to make it.
look at his face right now. Look at his face. Look at his cool hair.
Sorry if you hear another voice. My sister's vlogging.
The blogging family. Sadly, I don't blog. I don't have a tablet. Be sure to send me a tablet or something.
Don't send him anything. Only send me POs. I'm gonna go check my P. I don't have a PO box yet. I think my dad or mom does. But
Please send the YouTuber gifts, like so we can do an unboxing.
I don't think mom likes me doing a YouTube channel, so I do it secretly.
Just send him gifts or whatever, so we can do an unboxing. And if he reaches 400 subscribers, he will do that video. So, yeah. So now he's doing, kind of looks like a diamond shape.
Can I make my YouTube channel now?
Not yet. We're still blogging. Jeez.
So basically, you just do that, and then
That looks like a claw. What is that?
I screwed up on the claw, so I'm making a paper airplane.
Is this seriously as far as it zooms in?
And you just do the other side. I know it's one of my worst.
Hey guys, it's me.
That's my sister.
That's my sister. His sister. I don't know.
We're brothers. We're brothers. Remember?
We are gonna make an origami claw today.
So basically, I think this is how you make it.
Yeah, now test it. Throw it at your camera.
Okay, we need to go out the hallway for it.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom.
Why are you showing them the bathroom?
Cause there's hairspray right there. Right.
Get
there.
right. Okay, Joseph, come on.
That's the toilet.
Ew! You're showing them the toilet.
That's the shower. Dun, dun, dun. That's my sister's blogging. Ah! Okay.
Okay, so basically, you're gonna stand
Whoa.
like right
Whoa.
there. Ready?
Yeah. There it is, boys.
What? Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got some rage.
There's the metal case. There's the metal stand.
Okay, I can control from here.
Wait. Subscribe. Say it.
Subscribe, view, and tell your grandma, grandpa, aunt, sisters, brothers, dogs, cat, and goldfish, if you have some, to subscribe, view, and watch my videos.
And press that like button.
Press that like button. Smash that like button, actually. And make sure to also subscribe to Typical Gamer, Jacksepticeye, and Markiplier. See you in the next video!